Welcome to GS2 Web SAAS Form by GsheetPress. The Settings tab is created automatically the moment you build your form. Let's find it. With your form's Google Sheet open, click Extensions, then GsheetPress, select Form, and finally click Form Settings. That's it. You're now in the form settings. Now let's walk through what each setting controls. 1. Title. This is the heading shown at the top of your form. 2. Description. The text that appears just under that title. 3. SuccessMessage. What your visitors see the moment they hit Submit. 4. buttonText. The label on your Submit button. By default, it just says Submit. 5. primaryColor. This is your accent color used to style the Submit button. 6. Want a logo or banner? Add a link under logoUrl or bannerImageUrl. Both are optional images shown above your form. 7. Need respondent emails? Set collect email to true and a required your email field gets added automatically, no extra setup. 8. Running a limited time or limited response form. closeDate sets a cutoff date and submissionLimit sets a maximum number of responses. Either one closes the form when it's reached. And if you'd rather send visitors somewhere else after they submit, like a thank you page or your website, just add the link under redirectUrl. To apply any of this, simply edit the value column next to the setting you want to change. Then run Publish Form again, and your changes go live instantly.